Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Unfortunately, a pretty boring day. We're heading into the weekend. Ethereum was unable to put in that higher C wave, and it is harder and harder to believe that we are going to get this higher C wave in B. So anybody who's missed previous videos, the assumption is that Ethereum, like Bitcoin as well, rallied off the 10th of March low in a wave one, basically an impulse, which is a 5-wave move, which is in line with the higher level trend direction, and that we're now coming down in a wave two, and there would be an A, B, C correction. The idea is it's a 3-wave structure. Of course, hard to forecast. I explained that in previous videos. You know, in a correction, multiple things can happen, and you need to be aware that in a correction, especially in the B wave of a correction, structures can morph easily into other structures. Yeah. So just to give you an example, and that is very much applicable here at the moment, it's really a textbook example of a B wave, because the question is, yes, the idea is to come down lower still in the wave two. We have support between 1533 and 1754 for that C wave down here to complete the wave two. At the moment, I'd rather look at around, this lower end of the spectrum here. It depends to a degree how the B wave now plays out, because if we look at this structure, make it a bit larger, we came down in the A wave, then there's a few possibilities how the B wave can unfold. So A wave down, yeah, and then the B wave could be just an A, B, C structure with a higher C wave into the area between 1973 and 2067. At least that's an area of likelihood. Okay, that is standard Fibonacci resistance for a B wave. Can always go a bit higher. B waves can do funny things, but this would be standard resistance where we at least would expect a reaction. Now, there's another possibility, and that would be that we are selling off directly, explained in the last video. And if we sell off directly in the C wave, then, as highlighted here in orange, the B wave top was already in on the 26th of April. How would that direct sell-off look like? It would look like as follows. Yeah. Wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, and then 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. And then it is very likely that this C wave is going to unfold as a diagonal structure. Why is that? Because the move down here that occurred between Wednesday and Wednesday. So basically on the 26th of April, that was a 3-wave move down. Okay, and that means the overall move down here should be a diagonal with choppy subwave structures. The other possibility is, and I think this is actually starting to become the most likely one. Bear in mind, this is all just a question of how does the B wave unfold. It's basically impossible to solve, but I'll show you the probable options. The third option is that this B wave here, is unfolding as a triangle, an Elliott wave triangle. Now, as you can see, it looks as if we're already heading into the apex here, but that certainly can extend that triangle, and it could play out over the weekend. We often see weekend triangles, especially on a Saturday, and then on Sunday we might break out. But let's imagine this B wave here, isn't finished yet, and it's just working its way as an Elliott wave triangle. And if that's the case, in a triangle you have an A wave, you have a B wave, you have a C wave, D, and maybe E could be the last one, but it can always extend out a triangle. Yeah. So what I want to communicate here is B waves are extremely difficult to forecast, especially the current price action leaves a lot of room for interpretation. My view is, unless we really go up now and finally put this C wave in of B, to put a higher B wave in, I think the triangle option is probably a very, very likely one. Reason is that we haven't managed to put that higher B wave in throughout the week. And now on the weekend, you normally see that sideways action. There is often a triangle. But what would happen after the triangle finishes? After that lower degree triangle finishes, the sell-off in a C wave down should start. Then again, there is not much more to update about Ethereum at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.